Your lawn doesn't care about your busy work schedule or the fact that it started pouring rain 5 minutes after your sprinklers kicked in. It is a frustrating, common headache for homeowners everywhere. You are either wasting expensive water during a thunderstorm or coming home to a scorched yellow yard because you forgot to adjust that old clunky dial in the garage. This is where a modern, smart irrigation controller steps in to handle the heavy lifting for you. We are looking at a 6-zone system that aims to bridge the gap between those old-school manual timers and the super expensive high-end tech that costs a fortune. The big promise here is total automation. You get to plug your watering schedule into an app on your phone and then essentially forget about it. The real magic happens with weather-based adjustments. The system pulls in data from the local forecast and looks at past conditions to decide if your grass actually needs a drink today. If a storm is rolling through, it simply skips the cycle. That simple logic can slash your water bill and stop you from being that person on the block with sprinklers running during a literal hurricane. Getting it up and running is a fairly straightforward process if you have dealt with basic wiring before. There are terminals for 6 different zones plus dedicated spots for extra sensors. However, if the sight of a few copper wires makes you nervous, you might find the installation a little bit technical at first. It is designed to replace your current setup, but you must ensure you have a solid Wi-Fi signal reaching wherever this thing is mounted. That connectivity is actually the biggest hurdle for a lot of people. If your signal is weak or drops out constantly, the smart features start to feel a lot less smart. There can be delays or sync-in issues that turn a convenient tool into a frustrating chore. The mobile app interface also feels a bit behind the curve compared to some of the flashier competitors on the market. It is functional, but it is not always the most intuitive experience for a new user. You also have to remember that this specific model is mostly intended for indoor use. If you are planning to bolt it to the side of your house, you will need a weatherproof enclosure or a different version entirely. On the hardware side, it is built by a brand that has been in the irrigation game for decades, so the reliability of the physical unit is high. You can even add rain or soil moisture sensors to make it even more efficient, though those usually add to the total cost. It sits right in that mid-range sweet spot. It is a massive leap forward from a basic manual timer, offering way more flexibility for different types of plants and soil. You can set multiple start times and customize every single zone to match your yard's specific layout. While the software might feel a little clunky and the Wi-Fi demands can be picky, the core functionality is solid. It delivers on the promise of a healthier lawn with less effort. The physical interface on the device itself is pretty bare bones, which tells you exactly how the designers expect you to use it. They want you on the app, not poking buttons in a dark garage. If you crave a polished, high-end software experience, you might want to look elsewhere. But for a reliable upgrade that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this sits in a very comfortable spot. It is a legitimate tool for anyone tired of manual watering chores and ready to let technology take over the garden.